It was quite a night here. It was windy, just to say the least. But now it's almost perfectly still, super quiet, and pretty amazing. We've eaten breakfast this morning, and we're gonna go and I think we're gonna go into fields instead of doing our overland route. We got to resupply in water because neither of us were really thinking ahead in that respect. So, and we're in the desert, so we kind of need to have water. But we were gonna go over there somewhere, I think, like that. Yep. And go over to a hot spring on the other side. But now we're just gonna go south and around. So yeah, here we go. Are you gonna drive while I fly the drone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Desert driving.
Well, we just got to our next camp spot and got out of the truck and heard this. There's a nice big rock jammed in my... So now I get to... No, I'm not. I'm gonna patch it.
Patch it up.
I'm gonna patch the tire.
Patch it up. Of course he's gonna fix it.
So this is a tire repair kit. This is like for tube repair. And then we have a plug kit, which is this thing right here. So basically what I want to do is I want to first pry the rock out, pull it out, and then take one of these like strips of tar basically, thread it through here, push it down through the tire, and pull it out, and you can see that it's actually just like a prong tip, and then it'll just leave the plug in there. Okay, there you go. So, got the plug like that. Oh. Okay. Alright, that's how you plug a tire. Whoa. Send me over the cliff, don't you?
pretty inviting, that water.
It does. Hi. Nope.
The next morning.
Well, it's another bluebird day out here in Oregon. Meg and I are just about packed up. We're going to head into Nevada today. The tire plug that I put in the tire last night did not seal 100%, so I've been trying to fix that this morning. I have about 3 more plugs in there, 4 total, and I think I may have got it, but if it requires another plug after this, I think I'm just going to go to a tire repair shop if I can find one. So yeah, we're about to hit the road again. Well, I just topped up on water. Megan's getting a few more supplies in here at the field station, and then we're gonna go hit Domingo Pass. Oh, hi.
Well, tell us about today's repairs, Mr. Jackson.
Well, not repairs so much as just
Maintenance.
checking. You know that meme? I know you haven't seen it, but maybe some of the viewers have seen it, where it's like a pair of vice grips, and the vice grips are just like to the Allen head. I'm the Allen wrench now. Well, my socket kit didn't come with a 9mm Allen head, so I'm using vice grips to see if I can tighten these Allen bolts in the back, just to make sure. And it looks like they're fine, but it's gonna be something I have to get for the future. Hey, we're ready to go. Domingo Pass, here we come.
Dirt roads.
Dirt roads. Yo.
Pretty cool place to air down tires.
Yep, here I am again. Welcome to Domingo Pass. We just came over the peak and just stopped to put the drone down, as you saw. And I just like to point out that this girl right here drove almost the entire Domingo Pass.
Woo.
She just learned how to drive stick.
Yee.
So she's doing pretty friggin' good, if you ask me. Yeah, and we're just kind of enjoying the view right now because it's absolutely gorgeous up here. High five.
Rubbing my Buddha belly.
We're just gonna keep on going now. Get some lunch down below. That's a missus. They're all misses.
Except for the one with the horns.
Nope, she's a missus too.
I didn't realize Mrs. Cows had horns.
Yeah.
They do?
Well, I mean, you get horny, right?
Oh gosh.
Officially entered into Nevada, so that is the third state for this trip. We're actually in Nevada now.
Easy, boys. Donkey.
So we just arrived here at Bog Hot Spring. We had hoped that we would find the cool spring somewhere. Maybe it's further down, but pretty dang hot. Yeah.
Brings me to a beautiful hot spring in 30 degrees. Good one. Look at those rocks.
Yeah, look at those fucking rocks. Look at them. Hi. There's a big rock. So this trail that Gaia has taken us down has slowly but surely devolved into a very unused track, which is totally okay. That's what we're here for, but it's just interesting to see as we progress down the trail what it is slowly turning into, which is, I don't know, maybe less of a trail, more of just like a path. It's not so bad, I guess. Okay, please open the gate, love. Thank you. Oh. She's gone done it.
Go ahead, sir.
Thanks, love. There we go.
Thanks.
Hey, so can you open the gate again?
How do I do this one? I just ran in to tell me while I was reading the sign. pretty bumpy. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. This would be nice in the winter time.
Yeah.
Get warm.
So we are here at Soldier Meadows. We're here at Soldier Meadows, and yeah, there's like this little cabin here that you can stay in if you want. You just have to fly the flag if you occupy it, and there's a bunch of stuff in here that you can use if you want, and there's food, and it's kind of cool. What's in there?
Mouse.
Oh, it's a mouse.
That's a biggie. It's like a different type of mouse. Cool. You want to be our pet?
Do not want a rat as a pet.
Please.
No.
Please. But it's fuzzy.
Well, we've arrived.
We made it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Soldier Meadows. All right, here's the first one. Let's see what the temperature's like. Oh, it's like a warm spring. What do you think?
It's pretty warm. It's gonna be nice later. Just our own little infinity pool.
Well, we're just eating some dinner, and now we're gonna go and lounge in the hot spring for the rest of the night. Tomorrow, we're gonna be doing a very interesting route. So we're going from where we are, which is Soldier Meadows, and we're gonna travel to Dyke Hot Springs. So we're gonna take that road, go all the way up and over that saddle. This is a route that I am fairly, I guess, relatively apprehensive about, seeing as I don't really know if it's like just a goat track or if it's actually like a real road. You know, we only have like maybe 3/4 of a tank of fuel, and that's it. And then, you know, if I get stuck up there or if something breaks, then it's a long walk out, and it's going to be a very, very hot walk out. So there's an element of danger to it. I'm sure we'll be fine, but you know, it's just like one of those things that someone gets kind of apprehensive about, that someone being me. But I'm sure we'll be fine.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. Have a good night. Bye.